Please review my YouTube ad campaign setup, remarketing focused. Okay, sure. I'm launching my first YouTube campaign mainly to build a remarketing asset, not immediate sales. Okay, that's very good. So, setup objective video views, location tier 1 and tier 2 cities in India. Very good. Demographics age 24 to 44 plus unknown, household income to a top 10. 40% plus unknown excluding bottom 50%, targeting placements only 200 plus niche relevant YouTube channels, devices mobile, tablets, computer, ads 1 minute talking head video both horizontal and vertical, landing page VSL only page 20 minutes VSL, and the frequency settings impression cap 2 to 3 impressions per user per day, view frequency cap 1 to 2 view per user per day, plan consistent daily spend for 15 days, no changes for the first 7 days, after that only small tweaks, exclusions, maybe a new ad group or creative. Questions for the goal of building a high quality remarketing list. Does this structure make sense in real campaign? And the question number 2 is in placements only YouTube campaign. Do you usually add negative keywords, free download, etc., or rely purely on placements? Okay. So first of all, let me look around on your campaign settings. This is fine for the devices. I think you need to restructure. Maybe work with mobiles only for the start, and then eventually discuss on tablets and computers later on. But with the start, if I would you, I would have worked mostly with mobile plus computers, not with the tablets. I wanted to see the data of mobile, so I may only go with the mobile as well. So I'm just sharing my opinion, okay? But this strategy looks fine. There is no issue. But however, I'm sharing my opinion. Okay. Now for your yes, it does. Okay. Yes, it does. Okay. With a YouTube campaign, do you usually add negative replacement? Okay, with YouTube, so if you run any campaign on YouTube, even a demand gen or any other campaign, the negative keywords do not play a much role over there. So which is why it's not a good idea to add negative keywords, because it won't make any difference. So my opinion is you need to rely on placements and the algorithm to get the data, and this is how you're gonna run and get some data. So your strategy is fine for your ad campaign setup for remarketing focus. So good luck with your campaigns. But if anyone needs a professional help, we provide even YouTube ads management. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. And right now we are running a free audit offer as well. So if anyone needs our services, you can hire us through the link in the description. We offer various plans for the marketing Google ads management, so you can hire us for this. And since YouTube ads is also the part of Google ads, so we will love to help with you. I hope this answers your question. And you can hire again me and my team through a link in the description. Our website name is AARSWABS.com. So I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.